I work in semiconductor industry as an implementation engineer. Sounds boring, right? It's actually not. It does get intense sometimes. And somewhere between deadlines, long days, and staring at the screen all day, I realized I wanted to create something that actually felt like mine. Hi, I'm Medha, and my brain wants to try 10 new hobbies every weekend because outside this 9 to 5 life, I'm just a regular Marathi girl who wants to try everything around her, whether it's an art, photography, travel, random DIYs, every single thing. Basically, anything that makes me feel like me. Do you get it? I hope you get it. There was a time when I kept on thinking, what will people think? Like, is it good enough to post? Basically, log काय बोलणार? But somewhere along the way, I learned that it need not to be perfect. You know, थोड़ा बहुत चलता है. Like, that's how you learn. Where along the way, I realized this was never being about perfect. This was about something that felt like mine after a long, exhausting day. So, welcome to my little creative chaos. Like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon with something new which I always wanted to share with you. Thank you. Bye bye.